Best AI to search for finding research articles. Hi everyone, and welcome back to your channel Intuito for You. In Intuito for You, we connect you with top professionals who specialize in writing, tutoring, and data analysis. From content creation to personalized tutoring and data-driven insights, we provide you access to experts who are passionate about helping you succeed. Looking for compelling articles? Or maybe you need help understanding complex subjects? How about a detailed data report to make informed decisions? Whatever your need, Intuito for You makes it easy to find the right professional for you. Subscribe now and start your journey with Intuito for You, where expertise meets opportunity. Let's achieve success together. Today, I'm excited to share with you a breakthrough AI tool that's making waves in the research community. If you're looking for a fast and powerful way to find, summarize, and analyze academic papers, you've got to check this out. It's called Scholar AI, and it's quickly becoming my go-to tool whenever I need to dive into literature, discover research trends, or even generate hypotheses. So, a lot of you know about GPT Score if you have a ChatGPT professional license. You can explore different GPT-powered tools specialized for various tasks, and one category that's growing in popularity is research and analysis. That's where Scholar AI really shines. Scholar AI is currently running a free promotion, so you can experiment with all of its features this weekend at no cost. The coolest part? It has a generative mode that doesn't just help you analyze text, figures, and tables, it can also help you come up with brand new hypotheses for your research. Let's do an example and see how it can help with a literature review. Suppose I want an overview of the latest research trends on gamification and personalization over the past 5 years. I asked Scholar AI, can you write a related work section for my paper on gamification and personalization? What are the main research trends in the last 5 years? Once you're done, give me an analysis of the current research gaps. Scholar AI took a bit of time to process, but the results were impressive. It outlined the major trends like context-specific applications and demographic variability and even pointed out some gaps in current research. It also mentioned the lack of consensus on the effectiveness of certain gamification strategies and highlighted the ethical considerations researchers should keep in mind. All in all, a great head start for any student or academic looking to frame their study. Next, Scholar AI provided links to various papers, and once you open a paper, you'll often find a DOI, Digital Object Identifier. With that DOI, you can have Scholar AI break down a paper's experimental design or methodology. Even if it's just an overview, this can save you hours of reading time, especially if you're juggling multiple papers. I tested it with a literature review paper to see if it could summarize the core methods. It did an impressive job capturing the main approach even if it was a bit high level, and it's enough to determine if a paper is relevant to your own work. Another feature that blew me away was the ability to generate a full study design based on a paper's systematic literature review. After analyzing a relevant piece of research, I asked Scholar AI to create a new study design focusing on this can give you the real paper as compared to if you just ask directly from the chat. Jippy will make fake references for you. But if you ask from the Scholar AI, it will give you the high impact factor side papers mentioned, or this is actually the most important part of Scholar AI. It pulled in essential sections like research questions, inclusion and exclusion criteria, literature search strategy with recommended databases and keywords, data extraction, detailing what info to look for, quality assessment, even referencing existing assessment tools, data synthesis and analysis, reflexive thematic analysis, ethical considerations. It was surprisingly thorough, perfect for anyone just starting out or needing a framework to build on. While you'll still want to refine and customize it, having this structure in place speeds up the process dramatically. Overall, Scholar AI has really impressed me. From generating literature reviews to helping craft study designs and pointing out research gaps, it's a powerful companion for academics, students, and anyone serious about thorough research. If you found this helpful, definitely check out Scholar AI, especially during their current promotion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI tools for research, productivity, and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.